Here we go. All right, you guys, today is day 3. We are still in Egypt. Day 1, we made our camel. Have you ever ridden a camel? Didn't we talk about this?
Yes,
I did talk about this.
Yes, I have not ridden a camel.
But you would.
Oh, yeah, totally.
Yeah, totally. I would too.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Yeah. All right. So, we're going to take our camel. We're going to go for a little tour. We're going to go see the pyramids. You like my...
I love it.
We're going to go see the pyramids. We're going to actually build our own pyramid today. So, you should have a board that looks like this. You should have your blocks. And you can use your dry erase marker if you need. But if you look at the very top row, we're just going to count them and see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. So you're going to grab 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to put them on the top row. Okay. I kind of built you a little cheat sheet. This will be the base of our pyramid. Okay. So then we're going to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to put them on. Okay. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Last row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Our base is done. So now we get to go up. All right. So each intersection, we're going to put another cube. So we're going to count out 3 cubes this time because we got 1, 2, 3. Right where those cross. You see that? So we got 1, 2, 3. And you're going to put it right in the middle. See that? Right in the middle. Right in the middle. And then we're going to do this 2 more times. So 3. And we're going to put them right on the intersections. And then 1 more time. Okay. Woo. All right. And then we have 2 intersections. We're going to do it 1 more time. Careful not to knock it over. All right. And then we only have 1 left. So if you do a scroll down, you can see that it's a pyramid shape. Now their pyramids are more flush.
Yes.
Like this. Okay. So this is just an example of how we are building ours. What makes this a square, Miss Rachel?
Well, let's zoom in so we can see. Because there are 4 sides on it that are equal. And that's what makes it a square.
Okay, so we have this side, this side, this side, and this side. They're all even. If we put 2 together, what shape is that?
That is a rectangle. There's 4 sides. These 2 are the same, and these 2 are the same. But they're not all equal. Just these 2 and these 2.
There you go. All right. So once you have your pyramid built, the goal is for you to create a pyramid. Don't use this. See if you can make it a different way. Okay. So, I mean, you might try. I don't know if it would work. This is why we try.
Yep.
Maybe, I don't know if it will work. Let's see. It's a little wobbly.
Oh boy.
It's not a very structural base at the bottom here. But
you're still going up.
But I'm still going up, and it hasn't
toppled over yet.
It hasn't toppled yet.
And if it does topple over, just try again. Just try again. Not a big deal. That's how you learn.
All right, look at that.
Okay.
I did
Not bad.
just kind of half the cubes.
Not bad. That works.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Let's play a little Jenga.
Oh, yeah, that's exactly right. See how structurally sound that is.
All right. Let's see. What happens if I completely change our thought and go this way? What do you think? Do you think this is going to work?
I think so. Ooh, maybe. There we go.
As long as I don't knock it over myself. Ooh. Okay. Come on.
Ooh. Okay, one more. One more. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Very cool.
Beautiful.
All right, how many rows do I have?
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 at the tippy top.
Woo!
Nice job.
Yeah, but
Oh,
no Jenga with this. All right, you guys. Have fun playing with your cubes, making a pyramid. You can even make your pyramid and add it to your scene.
Oh, love it.
Okay?
Love it.
So, scene is tomorrow. I
Yes.
believe.
So hang on to your blocks.
You might want to just play with them together.
Yeah.
I don't know. Just a thought. Just a thought. All right, you guys. That is all I have for today. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.